We're continuing on with Unit 3, Lesson 6, and we're up to Worksheet A. We have a couple of problems, a couple more problems from Worksheet A where we're working with practical application of decimals. And here we have, let's say you're at a grocery store and you buy 9.42 pounds of apricots. For $2.43 rather a pound. How much did they cost? Okay. So the apricots cost 9.42. Or you buy 9.42 pounds of apricots and they cost $2.43 a pound. Multiply, right. So we can just go, we already know we're going to multiply, right? So this will be 9.42 times 2.43. Alright, and go ahead and multiply that out. And while you're doing that, I'll work this out here on the board. Okay. So, how are we doing so far? Okay, so that's not our answer, right? So we have to move that decimal how many places? 4, right? Because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got to move that 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So that's going to go behind the second 2. So is that our answer? No, because we're working with what? Cost, right? And since we're dealing with cost, we have to round this to what? The nearest penny, right? So we draw our line, look at the next number, and so our answer is going to be 22.89.
How did you get 12? 4 times 4.
What's that?
How did you get 12 out of 4 times 4?
It's 3 times 4.
Oh, I don't know why I'm multiplying like this.
Okay. So in real life, the grocer's they're gonna round it up always. But for this problem, for what we're doing, this works for us. So we'll just round, just for simplicity, we'll just round it to the nearest penny. Okay, questions? Any other questions with that? All right. The next one, we have if a steak costs $5.79 per pound, $5.79 per pound, and the total cost of the steak was $12.97, how many pounds of steak was purchased? Okay, so we've got, our steak is $5.79 a pound, and the total cost of the steak was $12.97. So how many pounds of steak did we buy? Divide, right. So we've got, our cost here is $12.97 over $5.79. Okay, so I like to, when I'm working with decimals, I like to go ahead and put it in that rational form or that fraction form to start with. Do we have to move the decimal point?
Yeah.
Yes. Why?